Worldwide, thousands of people die as a result of house fires every year, and thousands more are injured. Many of these fires are caused by electrical faults and appliances. Smoke alarms have made us safer, but let's face it, all they do is make a beep. But what if no one is around to hear it? Someone's hearing impaired or a young child. The result is tragedy. But now there is a new product in the market that improves the capability and effectiveness of smoke alarms and can help prevent fires from getting started. Introducing the Smoke Alarm Safety Switch, or SAS. The SAS works with hardwired smoke alarms. The SAS is easily fitted into a building's electrical system switchboard and communicates via a cable or wireless connection. After 60 seconds of continuous alarming or beeping, the SAS and circuit breaker are tripped, which turns off power to appliances before the fire becomes self-fueling. The SAS is simple in concept and at a very small cost will save lives. 1/3 of house fires involves electricity. Turn your smoke alarm into a 24/7 fire prevention monitoring system. Protect your family and property. Don't sleep without it. Arm your alarm.